Good morning everybody, Matt here on the planet, and today we're going up Mount Nokogiri. We were thinking of running up it. It's only about 300 meters vertically or something like that, but you can get the gondola and it's about 300 yen, which is about £2 or something like that. So we're going to offer that. From the racing or the testing that I've been doing recently, over the last few days, I seem to have picked up either a cold or something somewhere, or a little bit of hay fever. The hay fever is, I don't normally get hay fever, but the pollen count is something like 15 times stronger this year than it was last year or something like that. So it's just the way it is, and I feel fine, but my nose is just dribbling a little bit sometimes. So I've got my mask, and I'll put my mask on. Actually, you don't have to wear a mask as of yesterday in Japan as well now, so it's just up to you to decide what you want to do. But when we're going up on the lift, I'll put the mask on. Yeah, so this is the ropeway we're going to get. We're going to go up and get a ticket now, and looking forward to going up the top and having a look at the sights. So let's see. I think we might be able to see a big fat Buddha somewhere. So let's go. It's actually 2,400 yen for 2 tickets, so 1,200 each, so which is about £7-ish, maybe £8.
往復乗車券です。なくさないようお気をつけください。失礼いたします。いってらっしゃいませ。はい、乗車券拝見いたします。お気をつけください。
遠い昔より建築用石材として切り出された後で、この石切りの歴史は
どこのベンチだね。
Yes, scarf towel. This is face towel.
おお、綺麗ね。Exactly, views. Let's go outside and take a look.
Are you going to put it in? That's the Tokyo way.
So on a clear day, you should be able to see Mount Fuji, which is kind of like right over there, straight over there, but obviously not clear enough, a little bit of cloud. Cool. I actually thought it'd be windier up on the top because it was quite windy and breezy downstairs, but up here it's not that bad. But we can walk, I don't know if you can see it, right over there. So we're going to go over there, try and go up the edge of the cliff, the edge of the mountain, see what it's like. So yeah, to get here is probably about 90 minutes drive by car from Tokyo. You might be able to get a coach trip. You probably will be able to get a coach trip if you were staying in Tokyo or something like that. And then once you got out of Tokyo, probably about half an hour out, the roads are quite clear. So yeah, there's quite, you obviously pay some tolls. So we probably paid about £13 or so on the tolls. So not too bad. That's one thing you need to watch out for in Tokyo. There's obviously a lot of tolls on the motorways, but the roads are really good. So to actually come and see the Buddha costs another 700 yen, so about £4, £4.50ish. But it looks like there's a lot of nice steps laid out for us with the hill climb. It's actually really, really nice. It's quite, the air in the shade is quite cool and fresh. This time of year in March. But in the sun it's a bit warm, but it's okay for most people. They'll probably find it's okay, it's just I prefer it to be a little bit cooler. Okay.
Of course it's good exercise.
Quite easy to get to. Lots of really well built steps for you to climb up and down. So it feels like you come up to the top of the mountain and then descended by about half the distance back, so maybe 150 metres down. My legs are a little bit shaky actually around the knees. So I am getting a workout today, even though it's just a bit of a hike rather than a run at the moment. But yeah, really enjoyed this little trip. Yeah, so I think that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Real Japanese bamboo there.
左寄り小山の上に白く灯台のように立って
So we're going to eat roast katsu with asari mussels. So it's pretty much straightforward. Just click on the button and see what. Really good. It's just a service station off the motorway. The motorway tends to be, or happens to be, a big bridge just crossing over the water from Chiba to Yokohama, just outside of Tokyo.